So let's go to question 3 of chapter 6, which is the residual chapter of the regression models book. This refers to question 1, so I put question 1 and 2 above it. If you haven't, go ahead and watch those solutions first. This simply asks us to give the r squared for the model, and of course we also want to interpret the r squared and see what it's, try to understand what it's giving. So in r squared is quite easy to get, so reminder, here we fit our model and assigned it to a variable called fit. If I do summary of fit, then it gives the output table, among other things, it gives you the multiple r squared and things like the residual standard error. So the r squared, another way to get it directly is just to do summary fit and r dot squared. And that'll just grab just the number if you don't want all the outputted table. I would also say that you can get the adjusted r squared. It's given right here. The adjusted r squared is adjusted for the number of model terms that you've put in. Remember that our r squared will just increase as we put more terms in our model, as just guaranteed. And so the adjusted r squared penalizes to some extent the additional regressors. So our r squared, remember, is the percentage of the total variation in our response that is explained by the linear model with our predictor. So in this case, our r squared is the percentage of the variation in the son's heights that is explained by the variability in the father's height. So in this case, 25% of the variation in the son's height is explained by the linear relationship with the father's heights.